Greetings to all garden lovers. In today's episode, we're diving into the realm of natural pest management, teaching you how to concoct an effective pesticide using common kitchen staples. Fed up with dealing with garden pests such as aphids, mealybugs, thrips, and mites? Your search ends here. Ditch the synthetic pesticides and harness the natural efficacy of our entirely organic remedy. The cornerstone of our pesticide formula is baking soda. Known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate, baking soda is an organic, non-toxic compound, and it's acknowledged as a biopesticide by the Environmental Protection Agency. Next up, we're incorporating neem oil into our mixture. While other vegetable oils can work in a pinch, the effectiveness of our concoction peaks with neem oil. Just ensure not to over-concentrate the mixture to protect your garden's beneficial critters and pollinators. Let's get our premium pesticide solution ready. It's straightforward. Pour 1 liter of water into a container or spray bottle. Stir in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. If you're facing a more severe pest or fungal outbreak, you can up it to 3 teaspoons. Mix in 1 teaspoon of neem oil, or substitute with vegetable oil if neem is unavailable. To ensure the oil blends well with water, add about 10 drops of eco-friendly liquid soap. This aids in even dispersion and boosts the mixture's effectiveness. After mixing, shake the spray bottle thoroughly. Before applying widely, do a patch test on a leaf to verify the solution's strength. If the leaf shows signs of distress after a couple of hours, dilute your mixture more. There it is, your easy-to-make, yet potent organic pesticide, ready to tackle a variety of garden pests. So, when you next face any pest challenge, remember to stick with organic solutions. Eliminate harsh chemicals and lean into the strength of nature. If this tutorial was useful, hit the thumbs up and share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more insightful gardening guides. Enjoy your gardening journey.